Hello, we are Winken Laser. In this video, we will guide you through the installation and operation of the RenaFace machine. The machine comes with 4 wheels, 2 of which are equipped with brakes. Screw in the wheels by rotating the white ring. Position the mounting base and secure it using the 4 screws provided in the accessory pack. Now, we can proceed with the installation of the display screen. Connect the signal cables. Connect the signal cables and also screw in the cable holder to the back of the machine. Plug in the connectors and ensure they are locked in tightly. Then, plug in the emergency stop handpiece. During installation, make sure to align the grooves at the connector. Connect all the treatment pads and cables, ensuring the red dot is aligned with the gap before plugging in. When connecting the treatment pad to the cable, ensure the metal pins are in contact with each other. Port 1 is designated for the forehead. Ports 2 and 3 are for treating eye bags. Ports 4 are for the cheeks. Port 5 is dedicated to the double chin area. Connect the power cable and turn on the power switch. Release the emergency button, then use the key to turn on the machine. Upon entering the screen interface, select the language, gender, and age group of your patient. M1 and M2 refers to Mode 1 and Mode 2. Mode 1, continuous mode, the default mode for more comfortable sensation. Mode 2, pulse mode, stronger mode for better result. Choose the treatment area. We can start with a temperature of 41 degrees Celsius and energy at 30%. Tap here to increase or decrease the settings. Now, we will demonstrate how to apply the pad on the face. Follow the icon on the conductive gel. One side should stick to the machine, and the other side should be applied onto the skin. Ensure there is no gap between the gel and the skin. For more information, please refer to the user manual or contact our engineering team.